Okay, so moving on to our next category, which is Construction Firm of the Year. And I'd like to, I was going to invite someone up. You invite them up.
Oh, it's all right. All right, Construction Firm will be handed out by Olga Solove from URE.
Olga, come join us on stage.
And we have 3 nominees, Aldesa, CFE Poland, and Eiffage Construction.
Yep, stairs are over there. Yep.
And who is the winner? We will learn it soon.
Mm-hmm. So welcome to the stage, and thank you for, she's going to fix that.
Good evening to everybody. And the winner, Eiffage Construction. I'm not sure if I am right with pronunciation, but
I think you said it just fine. We'll see if they know who... Welcome, congratulations.
Hello. Well, thank you very much. We're flattered. I've only been working at Eiffage for 4 weeks, but it's very nice. So thank you very much, and have a good evening.
Congratulations again. Come on over here for some photos a little closer. And.